this is a dream. We've been fans since we were kids, and all the years of suffering, and now we have a dynasty with Patrick Mahomes.
We're so happy.
Come on.
He's definitely tough, and you can tell that he wants to win not just for himself, but for the fans, for the rest of the players. And so I knew he would go out there even if he wasn't okay, but I was really impressed at how he kept playing and playing well.
Yeah, it's tough. I think this one stings a lot. You know, there was a lot of hope riding into it. We were favored, but we've got a good young core, and I think the future is still bright as much as tonight is disappointing.
It is. I don't know why.
Red Kingdom, baby.